Hey y'all, hey. So basically, you guys are just gonna watch me pack all this into the UnderseatPro. So I have, let me see, 1, 2, 3 onesies. I feel like I need to bring my onesie that has like a long sleeve. It's like that jumper thing. I forgot what the official name is. So basically, these 3 items can be nightwear. These 2 I can wear out. This I'm gonna wear just like when it's like too chilly, but I'm going to a really hot place. And I want to try to pack as much as possible into UnderseatPro because I am going to my home country and I have to bring back many things, and I also have to take many things with me. So I'm not able to use my Cowpack carry-on like I would love to, but we'll see. I might be able to if I can fit the items out for other persons inside there. Yeah, and that's it. So first what I'm gonna do is, I already have a outfit in mind. It's gonna be real simple. I think I'm just gonna do these dark blue jeans that I'm gonna take with me. So it's gonna be my airport outfit. Gonna take this out, and I already have a shirt in mind. I have a jacket in case it's chilly that day. I'm gonna put all these things over here separate. I'm gonna take these out the pile. So this is pretty much the shirt that I'm gonna be taking, but it looks like it might be kind of sheer. So I'm gonna put an undershirt underneath it. I haven't decided on the socks and underwear yet, but I'm gonna have two kind of sandal flip-flop things. So one flip-flop is just like around the house type of thing. The other one is going, like, actually going out. And I have my water shoes and my sneakers, my everyday sneakers I'm gonna wear. So that's already figured out. And in terms of the packing cubes, I do have this hat that I wanted to try to fit inside the UnderseatPro. So I guess I'm gonna have to stuff it with certain items, as opposed to me using the bigger packing cubes like what I envisioned. So that's not gonna happen. Maybe I should put like there's a summer hat. I should put the bathing suits in here with the cover up. And this is like gonna be a 2-part. It's a light long sleeve white cover up, right? Don't mind me, guys. I got music playing in my ears. So that's pretty much how it's gonna be inside the bag. I'm bringing this waist type of like purse, or I always forget these things when I'm doing these videos. This has a name, fanny pack. Or maybe it has a different name now, but my generation was a fanny pack. I got to use this in Miami. It was phenomenal. I need to put those videos up. I have so many videos I have to give you guys. Umbrella again from my Miami one. This is a broken purse, but I think it will work. Keep them on my hand like this. Put the items I need to put in there. Like I said before in another video, I don't want nobody thinking I got money, because I desire the money to do better in life. Okay. So I already have my laptop in a sleeve that's inside. The good thing about the UnderseatPro is it has a bunch of compartments on the inside with the zippers and everything. I think I may have to redo this video to show you guys in depth more of what it can hold in terms of the compartments. But I think on my Amazon review, it has about, like, I want to say 10 to 11 different compartments that can hold those type of like knickknacks that you need. So in this section right here is definitely going to be my passport. Let's try to do this as fast as possible. Well, hold on, let me get a portable charger. Maybe that's going to help my camera. works, guys. Let's see. Have multiple chargers around here. Okay, that one works. I will take it. Okay. Okay, yeah. It's okay, I'll do another video. I'm unpacking it because I think I will have to unpack this eventually. So I'm definitely gonna have my brittle water bottle here. Let me see if I can get it. If it's empty. Because it has to be empty when you're going through the airport. I just got back from my playland, didn't even get to use it properly, but still has a carabiner on there. So yeah, I'm gonna put this right here. I've had myself needing to have like something like this for utensils. Don't know when I'm gonna use it, but I do plan on eating, and if I ever need it, it's there. I think it fits in the fanny pack too. So I don't want to move my computer charger. I do have a travel one, so that's okay. It has like this little hook thing right here for my keys, my car keys, house keys. So that'll be really dope. I'm gonna do that. Most likely my regular keys, because I got somebody for the pickup and drop offs, okay? So I guess in these little slots over here, I'm gonna have to find like something minute. Is that a word? That's a word. Dang it. Okay, so this is gonna go in here like this, and I'm just gonna pack items around it. And I think I'm just gonna be able to use like the smaller packing cubes and try to figure out what I'm gonna put inside of them. But at least the swim stuff is already taken care of because it's only a couple of swim stuff. It's 7 days. I'll just rewear whatever, or like, you know, wear shorts and change it up with the top. But I legit can use any one of these sets. My concern is my baby. This is my baby right here. I hang her up everywhere. So go back to a Ziploc bag. Honestly, if I don't need to take it, if I can't figure it out, I can legit like keep it here. Or of course, I can put it inside the bigger suitcase. But so far, so good. Water bottle and everything. Shoot. Let me loosen this out a little bit. Take the water bottle out. That's something that I can hook on anywhere. Thank God for a carabiner, which UnderseatPro comes with. On the side over here, so that works out. Got any pens that's gonna be out there on the side. Pen. Can always put like a notebook or something here. Anything easily. I think for the most part, when I get to my seat, I'm probably just gonna need to make sure I have access to this pocket, which is pretty easy. It has my Lysol spray in here, and it also has like a little airplane clip thing for the table tray thing. But I could just like have my phone plopped up and I'm able to like just watch my movies and stuff. Yes, I guess I'll leave the umbrella. It can go to the bottom of the bag with my shoes. But don't anticipate it being like too crazy. I don't even know if I'm gonna need to use the straps with the way I'm packing. Okay. I hit my target today, guys. Look at that. Plus then some. I feel like this needs to be the last thing for me to worry about, and it's not. Like putting this at the bottom. With the shoes are gonna be in bags. I don't need to freak out. I'm being dramatic. Just open a couple of these. Okay, so I'm gonna make sure I bring some of these bags. They always come in handy. I'm going for wet items. I'm coming back. Or just to separate things. When I'm like, yo, alright, why do I have all these things here together? Let's separate them. Okay. Okay guys, I'm back and I did need to use the straps. Okay. From my phone. My camera hasn't charged that much, my GoPro, which is interesting because I think I want to bring my GoPro, like stick it in between here in the cushions. So I was able to put 6 outfits and my 6 dresses, no. But I was able to put in 2 dresses, 1 pair of jean shorts, and 2 other bottoms. So that's 4 bottoms and 2 regular t-shirts. And 6 of these rolled up. So I can't use the packing cubes. I want to put everything around the hat. And I also have the 3 pair of shoes in there, which is just like the flats and the water shoes. And the swimsuits too. So yeah, I have a decent amount of items in here. And of course, you know, I did everything around my toiletry bag that I love so much. I do want to try to fit 1 more item in there, but I don't think it's gonna work. Oh, and I was able to put like the little purses in this pouch. Maybe even the dress too, the additional dress. All right. Just some sturdy material. Around the zippers. And I'm pretty sure it wasn't meant for this. I'm pretty much like pushed into its limit, all because I don't know what to expect when I have to bring other items. Because all this would have fit on one side of my carry-on, no problems. Because I have to worry about... Ooh, that was really good. See how that helped me out right there? That, it was just like pulling it made it so much easier. So I still have space here for my water bottle and that utensil item case right there. So yeah, and my laptop is in here. So still gotta take everything out though and try to reorganize it. But I pretty much have all my essentials. Like I said, this was extra. I only have 2 dresses in here out of 6, but it works because some of those dresses were extra too. All because my mom talked about it's gonna be so hot. Like I gotta be prepared to change my clothes. I honestly hope I find a place to wash my clothes or just wash them by hand. Because like I said, it is my home country. I was taught to wash clothes with my hands. And yeah, my underwear, I'm honestly just gonna stick them in one of these spots over here, but same thing with that too. Like I honestly just plan on washing those. My underwear is like tiny compared to those like piles of those 2 sets right there. But y'all, this right here, I don't even know how much it weighs. But it works though. Laptop and everything is in here. My charger, I know I can probably stick it in. If not here, maybe like on the sides over here. And just carry my water bottle with a carabiner on the outside. So that's the only thing I have to put in, really. So I'm not bringing a whole bunch of bras. So I'm only bringing 2 bras. A sports bra and a regular bra. I think that can fit in. And also underwear for 7 days. 6-7 days. But yeah. At this point, I might just have to go commando. And I won't have to open up the bag too, because it does have this other slip back here. Ooh, these straps are sturdy. These are really good. These are like really, really good. But this right here is where I can put my passport. But now that I think about it, I normally keep my passport on my person anyway. So it's gonna be inside that jacket or inside my jeans pocket. I normally only do tights, but I don't know. Maybe I'll take out the jean pant that's in here, wear the black one to the airport with my outfit, and put tights in here. Just so I have like an extra pair of tights. Because it does make sense to always like carry some kind of like athletic wear. Because I do have my sneakers. Instead of just having the shorts. But yeah. If I can, I will fit these items in the bigger item because they're extra. I would not like to lose these or have them lost in a checked bag, but if they do, I'm not gonna be like, oh my gosh, you know, I have items in there that I really want. So that's why I'm trying to figure out the best way of carrying the items that I know I'm gonna need, because I am not a check bag person. Just not with it. Not for it. It is not my ministry. I don't know anything about that lifestyle, but my mama says she's willing to pay for it. Cool. In the meantime, this is what I'll be rocking with. It's nice and sturdy. Y'all get to their website. I believe they were in stock a couple weeks ago, so hopefully they're still in stock. If not, comment below, let me know, but keep an eye out for it, okay? It has a whole bunch of items in here, and I pretty much didn't even stuff all the pockets, but it's stuffed enough. In terms of electronics, like I said, if I have to put the battery in this pocket and have the Brita water bottle hanging off of it, that's what I'm gonna do. I have other carabiners that I can use, and underwear and stuff, I can just stick that in there. I already have my airport outfit, which is one of the outfits that's supposed to be in here anyway, so that works out. And the same thing I'm gonna wear to the island, the same thing I'm wearing coming back home. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching my video of me packing my UnderseatPro backpack. I can't wait to use it at the airport. I actually should consider taking it. It's a lot bigger than what I would need for a trip up to the Catskills, but it's a quick like day trip. Maybe I will do a video on that for you guys if I do need to bring it with me. Okay, all right, well, see ya.